Detection of a pattern. 3 Indians on the basis of the zigzag. About system. I will not give here the system description. It easily can be found in a network. 3 Indians is a translation from Russian, probably. There is other name in English. Write me it in comments please. I will only remind that the system is rather critical to the general situation in the market. The pattern itself in a separation from a market situation is not a signal for trading. There are 2 basic methods. Trade on a trend, less risky method when a pattern crowns with itself the termination of correction of already developed trend, and gives a signal to its continuation. Trade on a turn, more risky method when a global change of the tendency is supposed. In this case waves of the pattern should be more significant on the size in relation to a trend or its last wave. Options. The beginnings and the middle of lines are located on first and second perspective Indians accordingly. Extern int x depth equals 10 // zigzag options. Extern int x deviation equals 5. Extern int x backstep equals 3. Extern double k underscore min wave equals 0.6 // the minimum size of a wave from first Indian in relation to a wave of second, to filter small waves. Extern int depth equals 3 / depth of search of 1 Indian, accounting the filter, but is no more 10. And further history, colors and a thickness of lines. Result. The 3 little Indians indicator for MetaTrader 4 is an indicator that works on the MetaTrader 4 charting platform. It is built based on the zigzag indicator and is used primarily to detect a hidden or unique trading pattern called the 3 Indians trading pattern. Traders who learn to use this indicator will be greatly rewarded as they will several ways to improve their trading and pick up new skills. Some advantages and disadvantages of using the 3 little Indians indicator for MetaTrader 4. One of the major things to note about the 3 little Indians indicator for MetaTrader 4 when a trader has decided to use it is that it does not produce trading signals and should not be traded on its own. A lot of traders practically pick up any new indicator or trading system they find on the internet with the hope that it might be that holy grail they have been searching for. Turns out nothing is further from the truth as this, since it makes traders believe that they can use anything to make money, whereas the real challenge to making money is staring them in the face each time they look at a mirror. Such traders must understand that using some indicators is riskier than using other indicators and that this is one of the risky indicators to use and so shouldn't be used on its own. This means that it should be used with other trading signals as well, and the trader must fully understand what he is up to before even deciding to use the indicator for trading. The trader should do all the research he or she needs to do about a particular indicator before installing it on their charts. Another important thing is to note is that although the 3 little Indians indicator for MetaTrader 4 works on all timeframes, it works better on the higher timeframes like the 1 hour and the other timeframes that are higher than the 1 hour. This is because except indicators are specifically built to be used for scalping or trading the lower timeframes of the market, they are likely to be susceptible to a lot of false signals, fake moves that are rampant on the lower timeframes as a result of the price manipulations that are always evident on the lower timeframes. Hence, any trader who intends to use the indicator must understand how it works and must be able to apply it to higher timeframes when trying to scan the charts for the trading pattern that this indicator helps them look for. An advantage of using this indicator, however, is that although it may not give a trader actual entries signals into a move or a particular market, it can easily give a trader a general idea or overview of what the price action on any chart time frame is doing at that particular time, since it is constructed based on the zigzag indicator that basically helps traders to map price action as it happens, since it watches all the lows and highs created and identifies which ones are the major ones and which ones are the minor ones across piece. The way the 3 little Indians indicator for MetaTrader 4 works is that it helps the trader to identify the current critical market trend so the trader can align their strategies to suit the ever-changing conditions in the markets at that particular time. It does this by looking for 3 consecutive highs in an uptrend or 3 consecutive lows in a downtrend. The premise that the trading pattern is built on is that the price is most likely to reverse after making 3 consecutive highs or making 3 consecutive lows. Hence, the indicator moves in the markets trying to identify these basic highs and lows for the trader so that he or she will then find it very easy to spot market entries based on price movements and take advantage of them by usually using an additional indicator for confirmation that either tells the trader whether a valid move is in place or not. That kind of confirmatory indicator should most likely be a trend entry indicator or an indicator like the ATR stops indicator that will automatically tell the trader how